1. Wisdom is the ultimate reward you reap for a lifetime of listening rather than be the one uttering words. Sometimes it's better to keep your mouth shut and your ears wide open. Great and wise men first learned to listen before they became who they are. 2. Listening is one great way of showing respect. Instead of being unruly, listening perfectly portrays the sincerest of respect. 3. Making listening a habit will you good than with speaking words. It's when people listen that they truly become wiser. 4. The people who are likely to have many friends and companions are those who excel at listening. If you often hear out what people have in their minds, you are likely to win them as your lifelong friends. 5. Success can be gained by talking, but listening offers far better. Excellence. Great individuals are shaped and honed with the ability to listen to others. 6. Listening can let us be shaped into far better individuals. No leader in the history of mankind have had not listened to someone in his lifetime. 7. The finest literatures in the world was given birth by language and language by listening. Even Shakespeare had to spend some time soaking in ideas from individuals that surrounded him. 8. Relationships stand firm through the storm not by talking but by listening. Successful and fruitful relationships are brought about by the power of listening to one another. 9. The key element of good communication is the ability to listen to the things unsaid. There are times when listening requires more than our sense of hearing. 10. When people utter words, bear in mind each word. Not everyone was given the gift of listening. Be among the one to stand out in a deaf crowd. Listen to words that no one else would care to hear. 11. When you listen, do it for the sake of understanding and not just to build a reply. Conflicts get fueled when people only listen to burst out their emotions than to seek wisdom. 12. True friends listen while fake ones care less to lend an ear. If your friends are real, they will not hesitate to hear you out. 13. Good conversations often come from listening well. No matter how intimate a conversation is, it will never end up good without lending an ear with one another. 14. Doing anything else while listening isn't fully listening at all. People can only do so much but not listen eagerly while at the same time doing something. 15. The reason why we were given a pair of ears and just one tongue is so we could listen more than we could talk. It may sound like an irrational way to defend talking too much over listening, but it definitely gives us the big picture.